Let function f0, 1 maps to R be defined as fx equal to 4 power x by 4 power x plus 2. Then the value of the series is given as f of 1 by 40 plus f of 2 by 40 plus f of 3 by 40, and next finally dot dot, here we have f of 39 by 40. Before that you will have f of 38 by 40. Before that you will have f of 37 by 40, and like that in the middle you are going to have f of 20 by 40. F of 20 by 40 minus f of half. This is the series that is given to us. You can see that the middle term f of 20 by 40 and f of half, these two are equal, so they will get cancelled out. Okay, and remaining we are left out with, if we group the term first and the last, second from the first and second from the last, third from the first and third from the last. If we group the term, there is something interesting in the value. If you see 1 by 40 and 39 by 40 is 1 minus 1 by 40. 38 by 40 is 1 minus 2 by 40. 37 by 40 is 1 minus 3 by 40. Okay. So we can make a group like this. First term f of 1 by 40 plus the last term, that is f of 1 minus 1 by 40 plus f of 2 by 40, this term and this term, that is f of 1 minus 2 by 40. So like that if we make group, finally your grouping will end with before 2019, after 2021. So f of 19 by 40 plus f of 1 minus 19 by 40. So like this we'll have groups. And every group has a pattern, that is f of x, you see, f of x, and this is 1 minus x. So x and 1 minus x. So is there any relation? So let us try to see fx plus f of 1 minus x. What is this value? So using the function fx is 4 to the power x upon 4 to the power x plus 2 plus f of 1 minus x is 4 to the power 1 minus x by 4 to the power 1 minus x plus 2. Okay, here I have replaced x by 1 minus x. Okay, so now this one, if we simplify, this one if we multiply numerator denominator with, if we multiply with 4 to the power x, numerator denominator 4 to the power x by 2, you see what will happen. 4 to the power x by 2. Numerator denominator if I multiply 4 to the power x by 2, then this will become, so this will become as it is, and this one will change to 2 by 2 plus 2 by 2 plus 4 to the power x, right? So now we will have the common denominator, so this one 4 to the power x by 4 to the power x plus 2, here denominator and here denominator is same, so we will add the numerator. So it will be 4 to the power x plus 2 divided by 4 to the power x plus 2. So the ratio is 1. So we got that fx plus f of 1 minus x is equal to 1 for all x. For all x in the domain of the function. For all x in the domain of the function, which is 0 to 1. Which is 0 to 1. So this is true. Fx plus f of 1 minus x equal to 1. So this group sum will be 1. This group sum will be 1, like that up to the last group sum will be 1. And how many groups are there? 1, 2, 3 up to 19 groups are there. So 19 into 1, answer is 19.